how to fix Discord app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Discord app. From here you will see Discord. Use the Discord app is here. Click on Discord app. Scroll down and click on storage. If you want to fix Discord app not working problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After click on clear cache and clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Discord app. After install, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Discord not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.